Okay, well, I'm going to talk about the power capability to support an OCP or OCP type of configuration. We actually have two different implementations for power, one here and one down here. We'll talk about this one first. Basically, this is a 6-slot shelf, 2.5 kilowatts per power supply. And this is a dual input capability, so you can bring a redundant feed in, and each power supply has the ability to take in two AC inputs and then automatically switch between whichever one is available. So this gives you a redundant feed capability at the power supply level. 2.5 kilowatts per power supply, 6 slots, so on a 5+1 redundant configuration with 12.5 kilowatts. You can also add a battery backup capability. Here you see a shelf that has 4 slots. Each one of these slots would contain a battery module. We have a battery module based on lithium technology that 1.75 kilowatts at the battery module level for 3 minutes of runtime. And if you put this in a 4-slot shelf, then that would give you 7 kilowatts of battery runtime in a 1U space. And these, of course, can be added. So 2 of these would give you 14 kilowatts, giving you the power backup for the 12.5 kilowatts here. We also have, as part of the system, what we call a shelf controller, a power shelf controller. And this is in communication with all of the power supplies. And if you add the battery system, it will be in communication with all the batteries as well. And then that provides a single point of communication using a variety of popular communication capabilities. SNMP is one of them, but a web-based approach as well. And all of the power parametrics, the power supply and the battery, can be accessed from here. Okay? And then if we go down to this one, this is just a different implementation. It, again, is a 2.5 kilowatt power supply, but these are single input power supplies, and we have up to 10 slots. So that would give you, in an N+1 configuration, 22.5 kilowatts of capability. So we can go with a medium amount of power or higher power levels, whatever the application has. So this is part of the LiteOn power offering. And then to continue to support OCP type activities, this is showing a storage unit that part of our product portfolio includes solid state storage. So we can provide solid state storage as a solution for any kind of memory applications as well.
Now, and we have the rack from Rack Solutions with LiteOn Power Shelf. What rack did you bring today?
Well, today this is a different rack, a rack that we offer, and this is a rack that has been designed to comply with the OCP standard, actually the Open Rack 2.0. So it has all the features, 21 inches. It has the space here for cable routing. This happens to be what I call a flat pack rack, where you can see on the base the bolts. The base itself has been designed, welded with the supports here, and to give it structural integrity. And then we have the bolted capability to assemble this, so we can actually, it helps in the shipping capabilities. And this is available in a 41 or 42 OU height, and like I said, it conforms to the OCP Open Rack 2.0 spec.
Okay, thank you very much.